I got today.
What is it?
I'll show you.
Wow, it's a
It's
book.
a book.
Is it trucks?
No book.
It's a book.
Oh, a
trucks.
book of
Hold
trucks.
Hold it up, buddy. Say thank you, Mimi and Granddad.
Thank you, Mommy and Granddad.
Open the next one.
Keep going. Go to the next one I gave you.
This one.
You want that one? Okay, bring it over. What is it?
I'll show you. What is it? You got to show me what it is.
Need help, buddy?
So I can do it.
You dump it over, Tate. Dump the bag out.
Yeah, it seems like a strange way to do it.
Dump the bag out. Or can you pull that out? Can you pull out what's inside?
Yeah.
Maybe try to pull out that box. Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. What is it, Tate?
Captain Hook.
Captain Hook!
Here,
Show me.
it to us. Show it to us. And say thank you, Mimi and Granddad.
Thank you, Mommy and Granddad.
Whoa, that's cool. You don't have that. That's so neat.
I know
It's Hook's Sail Wagon.
Whoa, that was Hook's Sail Wagon. Whoa, that was awesome.